Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. We are from group 9, which consists of Nurul Ain Syafiqah binti Muhammad Khari, Nurul Ashikin binti Rizam, Nurul Fazlin binti Hassan, Nurul Faiza binti Hamdan and Nurul Aisyah binti Sazali. This video will explain about carbohydrates, protein and lipid metabolism in terms of energy generation during starvation. So, first of all, we need to know what is starvation. Starvation is defined as a critical deficiency in energy intake that needed to maintain human life. It is a state when someone is not consuming any food or drink for a long period. There are three phases of starvation, which include the metabolic pathway of carbohydrate, protein, and lipid.
First stage, starvation, can be only stand for first 6 hours, which is we call as carbohydrate metabolism. There is the example for the carbohydrate, bread and biscuit. During this stage, there is no consumption of glucose, so that glycogen will break down into glucose. From glucose, ATP will produce in the form of energy, which is 25% will be used for the brain, other for muscle tissue, and also blood cell. So that's all for carbohydrate metabolism.
Ketosis is a metabolic pathway that happens when the body does not have enough carbohydrate sugar as a source of energy. Firstly, the triglyceride in adipose tissue will break into glycerol and fatty acid by hormone-sensitive lipase. Next, both glycerol and fatty acid will enter into the liver system. The glycerol is converted into glucose by gluconeogenesis. Our long chain of fatty acid can directly enter into the bloodstream of our brain. Those fatty acids must undergo beta oxidation process to produce ketone body acetoacetate. After that, the acetoacetate will be converted into either acetone or beta-hydroxybutyrate. Acetone is the least abundant ketone body, but it can produce in higher quantities at the first start the ketogenic diet. A prolong of starvation will use these ketone bodies as the main source of energy for all cells after the glucose level is depleted.
So, what will happen to the protein during the starvation? Protein is the building block of amino acid. Here is some examples of protein which are meat, chicken, egg, and fish. During the starvation, protein that is stored in your muscle will be broken down into amino acid. Then, this amino acid will travel to the liver through the bloodstream. And in liver, amino acid will be converted into two, which are glucose and pyruvate. Then, what will happen to the glucose? Glucose will be converted to acetyl-CoA and enter Krebs cycle. And then, ATP was produced. And this process is called gluconeogenesis. Next, what will happen to the pyruvate? This pyruvate will enter the Krebs cycle and ATP also produced. This process is called transamination.
Do you know the consequences of the starvation? It will cause you to get constipation, dehydration, decreased basal metabolic rate, scurvy, severe malnutrition, anemia, high blood pressure, fatigue, damaged internal organs such as liver, heart, intestine, stomach, kidney, and also lung. And lastly, you will die.